Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today we discuss the three-dimensional geometry. Three-dimensional geometry. In the previous classes, we discussed the three-dimensional geometry to locate the point and the ordered pair and the x, y, z coordinates. When the three lines intersect at the point, that point of intersection is known as the origin, and these three lines are x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. X-axis, y-axis and z-axis are perpendicular to each other. We know that every real number is a unique point. We know that every real number is a unique point, can be ordered, can be the ordered of x, y, z as a triplet. X, y, z as a triplet. This triplet is the coordinate of a given point in the coordinate axis. So x o x dash, y o y dash and z o z dash be the three mutually perpendicular line to represent the coordinate axis in three-dimensional geometry. Likewise, every point have the ordered pair x, y, z. So, the coordinate axis x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash and z, o, z dash divided the plane into the 8 part, so such part is an octet. Because in the previous classes in two-dimensional geometry you discuss the x-axis and y-axis. These axes divide the plane into the 4 parts. These 4 parts as the quadrant of coordinate geometry. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. But here the x, y and z axis divided the plane into the 8 parts. These 8 parts are known as octet. So mention the octet 1, octet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Each octet have a different sign of coordinate system. So mention the sign of coordinate system. Mention the sign of coordinate system as this is the sign convention of an object of x, y, z coordinates Now the first octet, second octet, third octet, fourth octet, fifth octet, sixth, seventh and eighth. These have the octet of the coordinate system. The sign convention of the octet: in the first octet the value of x, y, z always positive, and in the second octet the value of x is negative and y and z are positive. In the third octet the value of x, y be negative and the z be positive. So the value of x, y, z in the fourth octet, so x be positive, y negative and z positive, and in the fifth octet the value of x, y be positive and z be negative, and the sixth octet the value of x be negative, y be positive and z be negative, and the value of seventh octet all values are negative, and the value of the eighth octet x be positive and y and z be negative. So therefore these have the sign convention of a coordinate system in the eighth octet. And after that we find the distance of a distance formula, we find the distance between 2 points with the help of a distance formula. Let A x1 y1 z1 and B x2 y2 z2 are any 2 points. Thus the distance between these 2 points are mentioned by AB, and AB is equal to the position vector of B minus position vector of A. So position vector of A is OA, x1i y1j plus z1k, and the position vector of B with respect to the origin, that is OB, x2i y2j plus z2k. So the vector AB is the distance between 2 points. Vector AB as the distance between 2 points A and B. So the vector AB is equal to the position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B minus position vector of B, A, x2i y2j plus z2k minus x1i y1j z1k. So that's equal to x2 minus x1i y2 minus y1j plus z2 minus z1k. So therefore this is the vector AB, and the modulus of vector AB is equal to the under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. This is the modulus of vector AB, and that this is the distance between 2 points. The modulus of vector AB is same as the distance between 2 points. Clear? Now section formula. section formula. x1, y1, z1, xyz, and x2, y2, z2, x2, y2, z2. Clear? A, B, and C. A, B, and C. R1, vector R, R2, M and N. Now the vector R equal to M R2 plus N R1 upon M plus N. M R2 plus N R1 upon M plus 1. And the coordinate of component of R, R1 and R2 are given such that mx2 plus nx1 plus nx1 plus nx1 upon m plus n. My2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and mz2 plus nz1 upon m plus n. Is plus sign we represent the section formula internally, and therefore if the sign should be changed, then the section formula be the externally. So therefore we use the a line divided into the ratio m and n. Then the coordinate of that point is known as the section formula, and the coordinate we mentioned as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and mz2 plus nz1 upon m plus n. Clear? Okay, thank you.